Alright, we're going to pull that tooth out?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, let's see what you got.
Got a little blood.
Okay, well yank it real quick so it comes out. Just like a band-aid. You got to pull it off. Just pull.
Came out!
Good job! Let's see it. Let's see it. Yeah, buddy. Good job.
Oh my God, blood.
Yeah, it happens. Oh, you're fine. Good job.